The 2011 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.